LinkedIn marketing premium tools and services to consider. Growth Lead. Growth Lead is a social prospecting, social selling, and marketing automation tool that will help you to scale your outreach. It provides you with a 4-step social automation process where it identifies and finds prospects using an advanced filtering feature, automates multiple campaigns to reach different audience segments by automating personalization, schedules unlimited messages and follow-ups to boost response rates, then monitors metrics and automates data-driven changes. Crystal. Crystal is a social media marketing tool that is built to analyze anyone's personality by checking their LinkedIn profile, which will help you to tailor your interactions like you've been prospecting them for years. Crystal does this by using Personality AI to analyze millions of online data points that accurately identifies personality and gives you powerful insights that will allow you to communicate more effectively, to write more persuasive copy, and to build trust faster. LeadFuse. LeadFuse is a business-to-business lead generation tool that helps you to quickly create LinkedIn leads and LinkedIn target accounts through a simple lead collection process. With LeadFuse, you can search for leads using specific criteria, such as industry, the type of computer programs they use, how much they spend on online ads, whether they're hiring, and whichever criteria that fits. It also helps you to unlock data, such as verified email addresses and phone numbers. SalesLoft. SalesLoft is a sales engagement platform that seamlessly integrates with LinkedIn to make incorporating activities and insights into a single dashboard simple. It provides you with a sales navigation application that integrates into your LinkedIn sales workflow and lets you create multi-channel communication flows, send emails, research, and connect all under a single panel. Vugi. Vugi is a social media sales app that will allow you to automate outreach on LinkedIn, to reveal who is clicking through LinkedIn to your website, and to cut out manual tasks such as in-mail and email outreach through a single repeatable process. For this, you'll simply have to set up a supercharged automation that integrates LinkedIn within your workflow. It also integrates seamlessly with your CRM and marketing automation platforms, as well as with Slack. eLink Pro. eLink Pro is a LinkedIn marketing software that automates social profiling and lead generation, and it does it in 3 steps. First, it accesses an addressable market of targeted LinkedIn clients and exports their details. Second, it gets these clients engaged using a link that goes back to your profile, encouraging them to visit it. And third, it attracts these clients to your profile and your website, where interested leads will engage and connect at scale. Discoverly. Discoverly is a social media marketing app that helps you to discover information about LinkedIn prospects on other social media channels. This will allow you to see other types of vital information about these leads, the type of information that they would only share on sites like Facebook or Twitter. This will help you uncover shopping habits, their favorite types of entertainment, their favorite mass media, and so on. Guru. Guru is a knowledge management solution that can help you discover those elusive leads that share similar traits with your audience. It saves you the time that you spend searching for qualified leads on LinkedIn, and all you have to do is to capture a single LinkedIn info through Guru so it can analyze its profile. Then the app will provide you with a list of all the other leads that are similar for a quicker, more effective reach. Sales Navigator for Gmail. Sales Navigator for Gmail is a premium engagement app from LinkedIn that allows Sales Navigator users to use Gmail as a powerful prospecting and sales tool. With it, you'll be able to see rich LinkedIn profile data in your inbox, to build rapport by sharing shared connections, experiences, and interests, to save Gmail contacts as leads, and to see if your LinkedIn prospects are connected to your colleagues outside of the network. Ducks Soup. Ducks Soup is a lead generation tool that will help you to easily find, attract, and engage with your prospects on LinkedIn. It automates LinkedIn activities such as profile viewing, endorsing, messaging, and follow-up, so you can concentrate on growing your business.